that you are having a good day or had a good day wherever you may be in this world. Today I decided to go ahead and film a beauty favorites the month of May. I know that I have not made a video like this in a while. Actually, I think it was last summer that I made a video like this. I'm just trying to upload 2 videos a week so that way I can go ahead and get my channel started again, back up and running. Yeah, before I keep going and rambling on, if you would like to see the things that I have been loving, from makeup to skincare to hygiene, I think that would be the word for the stuff that I'm using, then please just keep on watching. Now, I'm only doing things that I have been loving for the month. It is not things that I do not like for the month, because I didn't really not like anything this month. There were a few things that didn't really work out for me, but I'm still trying to make it work for me. So the first thing that I'm going to be using, and none of this is in order, I'm just picking up, going, picking up, going, picking up, going, and that's just how it's going to be. So the first thing that I'm going to mention is this Milani Keep It Smooth Luxe Lip Treatment. It's in the 03 Sugar Smooth. It lasts for 12 months. So I use this every night and in the morning after I brush my teeth, so it'll keep my lips nice and nourished and moisturized. It's oily, but it's not too oily where it's slipping all over your mouth. It's all over like the area where your lips are. It is a great overnight moisturizer. I do use this after my skincare routine, my nighttime skincare routine, and I use it before I go to work, whatever, before I start the day. I'm actually almost out of it. You probably can't tell, but there's a big dip in there. My husband actually loves it too, and my brother-in-law used it and he said he felt like a girl because it was super shiny. So this is something that I have been loving. I'm actually almost out. The next thing that I have been loving as a face cream is this Philosophy Ultra Light Moisturizer. This stuff is amazing. It is literally ultra light. Sorry, not ultra weight. It is ultra light. It is, I would say it's for any skin type, oily, dry combination. However, if you're oily and you like to feel matte, I wouldn't suggest this. I'm oily and I like to feel moisturized. I like to feel that during the day when I don't have makeup on, that my face is nice and not like greasy shiny, but like naturally nourished shiny, pretty much is what I want to say. I've had this since March, the beginning of March, and I haven't even used that much of it, and I use it literally every single day. It's only $25 at Sephora, but it is literally my favorite. I am definitely going to repurchase it because, and it also smells amazing too. It actually smells like lemons. Somewhat like lemons, like a lot toned down scent than lemon, but it is really amazing. So if you're in the market for a new moisturizer, I would highly suggest the Philosophy one. You can go to Sephora and get up to 3 free samples, so I would sample one of these if you haven't tried it already. Now, something that is not new, but something that I have been using literally every time I do my makeup because I have fallen in love with it easily, is the Coty Air Spun Powder. A lot of people actually don't like this powder because of the smell, but if you can get past the old lady smell, I'm sorry, then it's actually a super great powder. I use it with my beauty blender and push it into my skin, and then I use a spray and push it into my skin, and my skin just literally looks flawless. It really is so great. And there's also no flashback with this, as long as you don't use a pound of it. There's no flashback. It looks really good. I'm using this back to back because this Urban Decay Quick Fix Priming Spray, this is just a travel size. I have been absolutely in love with this for especially my spring makeup look, and just for my powder, my Coty Air Spun powder, and my foundation. When I spray this onto my beauty sponge, my beauty blender, whatever I may be using, I push it into my skin and it literally makes my foundation and powder like melt together, and it leaves for a more flawless look on the face. I remember like months ago when I used to do my foundation and I didn't use this, I would look in the mirror and be like, why does my face look so powdery? But now that I do this step, it actually makes my face look so good. And it's a priming spray. You're supposed to use it beforehand, but you can, there's no rules to makeup, people, come on. Something for my hair that I have been loving is this Lush BIG shampoo. I don't know how to read it to you because it's in Italian, but it's clear, it's almost gone, and it's got big chunks of coarse salt in it. Now this is really amazing for me because I have super dry scalp, especially because of the hard water here in Italy. So I use this every time I wash my hair, which I wash my hair at the most 1 to 2 times a week. That's it. I don't wash it any more than that, but so I will do like a scalp conditioning treatment beforehand that's also from Lush, which I'm also out of, but I think that was in my last beauty favorites. But this I use before I even get my hair wet. I'll put it like in the spots that I really need it, which is pretty much right here in the back of my head and then like right here. And I will scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub, and it gets all of the dead skin flakes, all of that stuff out of your hair. I will put my head back in the water, rinse it a little bit, and still scrub again, and then use another shampoo. So it is kind of a lot for me, but I have a specific scalp routine so that way I can get all of that dead gunk out of my hair. It's disgusting. I can't wait to leave. I just need my hair back because my hair used to only get dry when the seasons change, but it's been 2 years and it doesn't seem like it wants to go away. But this has helped big time. Now my next thing is this Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Scalp Treatment. This is new. When they had the spring sale, the 15% off, I decided to buy this. I bought this as well as like a brush, like a scalp stimulating brush, which feels amazing when your head is super itchy in the shower. You just take it and just like run it around your head, and it feels like fingernails just going in. It literally feels so good when your hair is wet and when it's not wet, but you know that you're about to shower and wash your hair. So this stuff, I shower, and then once my hair is wet after I wash it, I just put it a few drops in like spots. So here, 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 and then underneath, and just rub it in, and that's the way I go. I haven't noticed a huge difference with it, but it does make my scalp feel super, not tingly, but it makes it feel as though it's working. It works for a couple of days, but it's not like a permanent solution. Whereas my tea tree oil works a lot better than this, but I'm just trying to give it a try. I've been using it. I don't wash my hair that often, so it's not like gone completely, but this is really good. And I really do love Briogeo because they are 6 free, and 6 free means no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no phthalates, no artificial colors, no DEA, and it's 98% natural derived formula. So this stuff is really, really good. Next is literally, this should be the shining star of the whole entire thing. So it's like when it comes up, it's like, ah. So this is the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, world's most powerful facial deep pore cleansing. This stuff is so affordable on Amazon, and it is amazing. I was only using it every Sunday as like my skincare Sunday routine, but I started using it like twice a week, and I have noticed such a difference using it twice a week. Like my nose blackheads alone were clearing out. I've been slacking, so they're coming back, but they were literally clearing out. My face looked super clear. Now, if your skin is super sensitive, I would try this out with water first and see how it works, but I do love using this with Bragg's with the Mother apple cider vinegar because it works much better with that. Also, make sure you use no metals, and before you like use this first, read the directions because it tells you what to do and what not to do. And you do literally feel your skin or your face pulsating, like you feel it moving. If I keep it on for too long, I get a headache because my skin literally just like tightens up, and then I feel like my scalp, it's literally so intense. And I want to make sure that it's super dried on before I go ahead and rinse it because I want it to do its job. And then when I'm done, I will take the apple cider vinegar and dilute it in water, so 1:1 ratio. Take a cotton ball and just wipe it over. I don't have sensitive skin at all, but when I'm done washing off this mask, my face is super red. So I feel as though this isn't drying. It can be drying, but I have oily skin, so that's why it's not that sensitive for me. So that way I can put moisture back into my skin. I use this, and then Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Guys, when I tell you this stuff smells amazing, it literally is watermelon in a jar. It is glowing radiance, it's softening, it literally feels like it's plumping up your skin. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and it has AHA, which I don't remember what that is. It comes with a little tiny spoon so you can scoop it out, and it can be like hygienic, and you know, you don't get all your germs inside of there, but it's mine, so I put my fingers in it because I just feel like it's so slippery and like moisturizing that when I put it on, it just slips right off. So I do put this on my neck, and I put it all over my face, and when I'm done, I rub it on the back of my hands because it It's just so amazing. I bought this during the 20% off sale, and I will definitely repurchase next time they have the 20% off sale just because it works so good. So I always use this after the clay mask. And actually the other day I went to the beach and I use this after the beach as well because I'm in the sun all day, so I need more moisture. I go to bed and my face feels amazing, and I wake up and my face feels like it's got all its moisture back. It's more plump. You can just notice such a difference. It's literally such an amazing mask. So some people don't like to do 2 masks in one. I wouldn't do the clay mask and then do like another mask or treatment mask. I would just do the clay mask and a moisturizing mask if you do have it. But I totally recommend. I wish that there could be like a smell cam so I could put it to the camera and you'd be like it just smells so good. And the packaging is so cute. Like the outside was a watermelon and then the inside is like complete watermelon. And I just keep it in the packaging because I'm a packaging junkie. I literally have, like in the corner of my makeup room down there, I have just packages of a bunch of stuff because I don't want to throw it away. And then also the next thing that I use after the mask, after the clay mask, before I go ahead and use the watermelon mask, is the Thayer's Witch Hazel. This is an aloe vera formula alcohol-free toner, and the scent is rose petal. This stuff is amazing. It takes away the dirt, the grime. It strips your skin without like harshly stripping your skin because it has no alcohol. It feels amazing. It smells amazing. And it just works really good. I just started using it, so I haven't used that much, but I will definitely repurchase. This stuff is amazing. So something completely different. This goes with hygiene. This is the Tom's of Maine Wicked Fresh mouthwash. It has a cool mountain mint flavor. It actually has a really, really good flavor. I don't like peppermint, I like spearmint, and that's more of like what this is. This is SLS free, which I'm not sure what that is, fluoride free, natural, alcohol free, and I was using the regular brands that you buy at Walmart, Stop and Shop, but I have, if you watch my other videos, I have decided to kind of turn my life around. I haven't made that step with makeup or skincare yet. I am starting to, which you've noticed my stuff that I have been mentioning has been kind of natural. But the toothpaste and stuff that I was using was not that great, so instead I like to use this. If you guys remember my empties video, I used that app Think Dirty, which the Think Dirty, you literally just scan the barcode and it tells you a number 1 through 10, and it tells you if it's good or if it's bad, why is it good, the ingredients. Tom's is a really, really great company. On the back it says no animal testing or animal ingredients, no artificial colors, flavors, fragrance, or preservatives. We share every ingredient, its purpose, and its source at their online website. Sustainable practices are a priority in every aspect of our business. We strive to maximize recycled content and recyclability of our packaging. 5%, 12 days of employees' time to volunteering, 10% of profits to human and environmental goodness. This stuff works. It works more than like a whitening toothpaste, like a Crest or something like that. So if you're looking into getting better toothpaste and better mouthwash, then definitely look into this. Another item from Tom's is the Tom's Whole Care toothpaste. On Think Dirty, it is a 4 because it is a whole care and it has fluoride. The Wicked Fresh one is rated 1 on the Think Dirty app, which I also have this. I also have that one, and this one is anti-cavity fluoride toothpaste, fights cavities, whitening, fresh breath, helps fight tartar, no artificial dyes or sweeteners, and the flavor is spearmint. I did try the Jason's brand, but it wasn't like foaming, and it was more of like a legit paste. So I didn't like it. My husband likes that one, but I love this one more because it reminds me more of like a regular toothpaste, but without all of the harsh chemicals and all of that. Although this does have fluoride, but I'm also not swallowing the fluoride. But yeah, it is super great. Your children can use it as well. Almost done. I have 4 products left. Not 8, 4 products left. So my next product is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I'm wearing it right now. It is amazing. It smells like cake, candy, anything you want to put it to. I love it so much that I actually keep a backup in my pocketbook. I bought one from the sale and I loved it so much that when I went to the Italian Sephora, I bought another one like a week later, not even. So I keep one in my beauty room and then I keep one in my pocketbook because if I ever need like a good nourishing lip gloss and a shine, I just put it on and boom, I'm back to being glossy. It's not sticky at all. It feels amazing on your lips. It's not drying on your lips. It's very shiny and smooth, and it smells amazing. I mean, what more could you ask for? It's perfect. You can wear it over lipstick, you can wear it over lip liner, which I am wearing right now. You can wear it alone, you can wear it with no makeup, you can wear it with a full face, you can wear it with just medium makeup, and it literally is universal. It looks amazing. Now my next thing that I also fell in love with, like that, is the Anastasia x Amrezy highlighter. It's just like a wave of highlighter. I have it on today. I'm sure you could notice my highlight is blinging. I have it on today. When I used this the first time, I was just like, okay, like this is my favorite. It literally goes perfect with my skin tone. I love it so much. I can't wait to see what it looks like when I'm nice and tan, which I'm starting to get tan. But I love it so much. It's become a quick favorite. I am going to see if it's limited edition, because if it's limited edition, I'm about to buy myself 2 more. Honestly, I don't need it, but it's not like any other highlighter that I have. I'm just in love. Okay, so we're back. I don't know what happened. I just seen a little screen on my camera that had said 9, 8, 7, and usually it doesn't count down, but it was still recording, and then I couldn't record anything. And so then I put my SD card in there in my MacBook, and I took everything off of my SD card, deleted it, and it still said that I had no room. So I went on YouTube, and YouTube is the savior of everything. This entertaining kid taught me how to delete. I had to format my card because it still wasn't working. But I have everything on my computer, thank goodness, otherwise I would cry because I have spent all day filming. My battery's gonna die, so I'm gonna talk even faster than I was before. But I only have 2 products left, so let's go ahead and jump right in again. So my next product is the Benefit Precisely My Brow in the shade 6. If you are not new to my channel and you have watched previous videos, I have always said my brows are thick enough, I don't need to fill them in, blah, 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 blah. Well, I was just kidding. I have been filling in my brows because there are some areas that are just very sparse and don't have a lot of hair. So I like to just fill it in. I'm not drawing on my brows because my brows are already thick enough. It's the slightest little change. You can't really notice that much, but this pencil is amazing because the pencil itself is super slim and it literally just mimics a legit real brow hair. And so I just fill in whatever I need to, and nobody really knows that I fill it in. And this is the only brow pencil that I really use, and I absolutely love it. It's just amazing, and I will definitely not go back to not filling in my brows. Now I know how everybody feels when they say, you're naked when you don't fill in your brows, because my brows go from like 50 to 100. So 50 before I fill them in and then 100 after I fill them in, and they just look so much better because they're just like full brows. My last product is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss in the shade Moon Jelly. This is a see-through iridescent purpley pink color. It's so amazing, it's beautiful. This can be worn alone, this can be worn over top of a matte lipstick in the middle. Perfect for summertime, spring, anytime to go to bed, however you want to wear it. It's just amazing. I have been so in love with glosses in general, so any lip gloss would be my favorite in this video because I used to be a matte girl, matte lipstick all the way. Don't talk to me about gloss, I don't want it, I don't need it, not gonna use it, not for me. But lately I have been, give me the shine, give me the gloss, I need it all because I don't know why, it just became my favorite. So this is such a beautiful color. So anyways, this is my month of May favorites. I hope that you enjoy my favorites and at least get to try some of them. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also check out any of my other content that I have on my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll leave any other information that I forgot to mention in the video down below. So please check the description box. I appreciate you for being here and watching my video, and I will see you in my next one.